Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex Kara. In this video we're going to dive into a topic that many of you have requested: where to start to get a job in IT. Whether you're a recent graduate, a career changer, or simply someone passionate about technologies, the world of IT has a lot of different jobs and opportunities. It can feel overwhelming to know where to begin, but fear not, because today I'm gonna guide you through the essential steps to kickstart the dream job in IT industry. Step 1. Self-assessment. Before you dive into the world of IT, it is important to take some time for self-reflection. Consider your interests, strengths, and long-term goals. Are you more inclined toward the software development, or maybe quality assurance, or cybersecurity, or data analysis, or something entirely different, right? So identifying the passion and aligning it with the IT field will set you up for success, and it is very important. Step 2. Acquire knowledge, practice, and skills. So once you have a clear understanding of your IT interests, it is a time to acquire the necessary knowledge and skills. The beauty of IT is that there are various ways to learn and develop expertise. You can enroll in online courses, participate in coding bootcamps, or even explore the free online resources like YouTube tutorials and IT forums. By the way, smash the subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting videos where you can learn about IT. Step 3. Seek guidance and mentorship. Navigating the IT landscape can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Seek guidance from experienced professionals in the field, connect with industry experts through online communities and social media platforms. For the best experience, I highly would recommend finding a bootcamp that offers small group settings and allowing a more personalized approach. Build your portfolio. In IT, practical experience speaks volumes. Start building your portfolio by working on personal projects, contributing to open source initiatives, or collaborating with others on coding challenges. Your portfolio will showcase your skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities to potential employers. Choose and focus on the exact job title. The primary mistake often made by individuals considering a career in IT is beginning their journey by learning coding. Instead, it is advisable to start by selecting a specific job role. For instance, software quality assurance offers two types: manual and automation. Delving deeper into one of these options, you can focus your learning and explore the most common job requirements outlined in the job description. This approach ensures that your end goal aligns with the steps you take along the way. To wrap it up, getting started in the IT industry requires self-assessment, acquiring knowledge and skills, seeking guidance, building your portfolio, and networking efficiently. Remember, it's a journey and progress may take time. In the upcoming videos, I will delve deeper in the most in-demand IT jobs and discuss various strategies to expedite your job search. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Spin Career family.